Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this video on BigTime. I wanted to make that because BigTime right now, or at least not right now, but it was very bullish earlier today. So I wanted to make a video on that. It's I know a lot of you, like I used to cover BigTime quite a lot when it just came out. And I wanted to shed some light on it again. Now, I think the chart right now is a little bit messy, so I'm going to delete this Fibonacci level. I think this is more clear. I also think these fibs are well respected, well enough to gain some sense of the markets right now. But I just wanted to spend some time talking about BigTime, all right? Because most of you know that I've actually been, price-wise, I've been quite bearish on BigTime. And that's for the sole reason that it's an in-game currency, right? So usually those are quite inflationary. So that means that over time, more and more tokens get brought into circulation, and then it's usually a better idea to short. So that's what I said. But I mean, in the end, BigTime does have some great backing. It's one of the biggest crypto games launched ever. Like BigTime has been on my radar since I think October or November 2021. So a long time. So there's definitely potential, but if we take a look at the price right now, I think the fun was spoiled a little bit by Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin right now is still strong, like it dropped down a bit, but it's still strong. But BigTime was trying to break above its main resistance, which in my sense really is 20 cents. That has been the main resistance for the last couple of weeks. And what BigTime is trying to do is break above that, then hold it as support, and then rally up to this level right here at 25 and 27 cents. After which, who knows? All right, that would be my first price target, but after that, but potentially, if there's enough momentum, it could rally higher as well. But that's something for the future. For now, the big question still is will BigTime be able to break above 20 cents? And I would have said yes earlier, but right now, look at this. I mean, look at this open interest. It had grown all the way from 18 to $33 million, so almost 100% up. But since then, from 34, it has dropped down to 24. So that's a decrease of about, let's say, 30%. That's quite a lot. So unless that open interest starts recovering, and well, in terms of price, you would just see that BigTime would test 20 cents again. Unless that happens, it's more likely that BigTime just will close below 20 cents again on the 1 hour time frame and get back into the range. Because technically right now the situation is as following, and that is that BigTime is in some sort of a range between 20 cents, or well, more often between 18.5 cents and then like 14, 15 cents. That's still the market structure right now. So if BigTime is not able to retake some of those open interest gains, which it certainly looks unlikely that it will. I've very rarely seen tokens bounce back from this. So unless that happens, so let's say the next two candles, I would say BigTime still has the opportunity and still has the chance to break above 20 cents. So if it does that in the next two candles on the 4 hour time frame and it holds it as support, 20 cents, then BigTime will still rally, and it's very bullish. But if it doesn't do that, which I actually think is the most likely scenario, I don't expect a bullish breakout from BigTime anymore, given, well, mostly the loss of momentum. So if it's not able to do that, it will just fall back down towards 16 and 15 cents, which probably will hold. It depends a little bit on the market circumstances. If Bitcoin falls down towards 36,000, it's probably not going to hold, and BigTime will spike down towards 12 and 10 cents. But I think it's most likely that BigTime will just fall back down and consolidate, potentially spiking down a little bit lower, and then you should drag the consolidation area like this. And that's a possibility, but those are my thoughts. All right, so perhaps not what you wanted to hear. And like I said, I mean, it's still possible that BigTime gets a bullish breakout, but it's not anymore my most likely scenario. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.